There aren't enough NVIDIA Blackwell chips to go around, and token prices are climbing because of it. So a team called Wafer ran a frontier model on AMD instead, and the numbers make you look twice. Here's the state of the inference cost war. Here it is, straight from the source. Set the scene. Demand for inference is skyrocketing and outrunning supply. Frontier models ship almost every other week, so the appetite for tokens keeps growing. But there simply aren't enough Blackwells to serve it. NVIDIA GPU prices climb, and that cost lands directly on the price of every token you generate. Now the opening. On average, AMD's MI355X runs about 2.75 times cheaper per GPU than NVIDIA's B300, with comparable silicon specs. The cheap inference answer has been hiding in plain sight. The question was never the hardware, it was the software. Because here's the catch. NVIDIA's real moat is software. New models get day zero support on CUDA, so providers serve them at full speed, with almost no friction. On AMD's ROCm stack, state-of-the-art performance rarely comes out of the box. Sometimes you're lucky to find an image that runs the model at all. Optimizing can take weeks, and by then the next model has already dropped. AMD is always playing catch-up. So Wafer did the tuning. They quantized GLM 5.2 down to MXFP4 using AMD's Quark toolkit, and it was lossless against the official FP8 build on GPQA Diamond, Tau2, and GSM 8K. On a realistic workload, they hit 2600 tokens per second per node, roughly 80% of a comparable NVIDIA B200, on hardware that costs less than half as much, and the manual part is fading. As AI agents get better at writing GPU kernels, that software gap is closing in real time. Here's the takeaway. 80% of the speed, at less than half the price, is a clear win on performance per dollar, the metric that actually decides what a token costs you. NVIDIA still owns day zero software, but that moat is being drained by the same coding agents everyone's building. If you care about cheap inference at scale, AMD just became impossible to ignore. Subscribe to BirenAI and ship smarter with AI. See you in the next one.